Hello children, today we'll be learning about our chapter number 5, that is more on MS Word. In that chapter, we have studied about how to insert header and footer, how to find and replace a particular text, and how to use mail merge. So today I'm going to explain you the practical related to header and footer and how to find and replace a text. So you have to insert header and footer in a Word file. First step is to open your MS Word. How to open your MS Word now? First step is to click on the Start button, and then from the Start button you will click on the All Programs option. From All Programs you will search for Microsoft Office, and then from Microsoft Office here you will find the MS Word, and then you will click on the MS Word option. Then what you will do when you click on the MS Word option, you will find MS Word opens up in your screen, and when you will see here I have prepared one document for you so that you can learn how to insert insert header and footer. If you will see that we have written this text, header means the head part and footer means the bottom part of your page. So how to insert the header? Your first step is to click on this insert tab in this ribbon. Above top you will see insert tab. Click on the insert tab, and here is your this header and footer group. From this header and footer group you will click on the header option. When you will click on the header option, another drop down menu will appear in front of you, and from here you will select your basic type. Select, suppose here I am selecting this blank 3 columns. Blank 3 columns mean 3 columns of these header will be inserted. There you can type any of your things. Like suppose here I am typing, we are doing MS Word chapter. So I am writing MS Word here. At the right margin I am writing like what we are doing it here. We are doing header. So we can type anything here. See, we are learning this thing. So like this chapter is of class 6. So I'm writing class 6 here. Now anything you want to mention here, you may mention it here. Suppose if you want to insert any shape also. So we'll go to insert option again. And then from insert option, you will see this shape option. From here, another dialog box will appear. From there, just select one of the basic shape, and then this plus sign will come. Draw the necessary shape of your choice. Then if you want to adjust the shape, that you can do. If you want to add any color to it, that can be also done. So when you will do it, after doing it, just click on and see, you will see your header is created on your document. This header has been created, and you have to do it once. You will do it once. See, in every page our header is created. We need not to repeat this thing again. Similarly, if you want to insert the footer also, so again we'll click on the insert tab, and then from header and footer group we'll click on the footer option. When you will click on the footer option, again a drop down menu will appear. From there you just select your basic requirement. Like suppose here I am selecting alphabet and page number. So what you will see on the left margin, type text is written. So we can mention hit here our chapter number 5, that this chapter is 5. And you will see on the right side page number is automatically inserted. Like this is our page 1. And when we will move ahead, we'll go to another page. You will see the left margin, that is chapter 5 is same, but page number is changing by itself. Page number 2, and then when we'll move ahead, page number 3, and so on. After inserting the header and footer, just click on the button close header and footer, and your document is ready with this header and footer. It just helps in making our document more attractive. Like if you want, you have seen some pages. So if you want to insert the pages, you want to insert the name of the topic, for that we use this header and footer. I hope this header and footer topic is clear to you, and how to insert header and footer. Now let's move ahead with our another topic, that is find and replace. Like suppose I've written this a long document, and I think I have written a wrong spelling, or I want to change this spelling. Like suppose here I am taking the example of this Microsoft. Microsoft Word is repeating again and again in the whole document. See, one spelling is here, the other is here, the other is here, and so on. When I will go ahead, Microsoft, see here also it is here. So when I go ahead, so many Microsoft words are there. I want to replace this Microsoft Word. So what I will go do in this home tab, go towards the right side, extreme right side. You will search for the option find, and for the shortcut for this option is Control plus F. If you will click on the Control plus F, you will get to know this. Now I have already highlighted the word, that is why Microsoft Word is coming here. So find what? Which word you have to find? You have to insert in find what dialog box, and then you will see this replace option. You'll click on the replace option, and by which word you want to replace Microsoft Word. You will write that word in your replace option, and then you will click on this replace all. Means wherever this Microsoft Word will be written up in our document, that will be get replaced with this MS Word. And then another option will come that Word has completed search of the document and has made the number of replacement. Like here in my document, Microsoft Word was repeating 42 times. So if you will see, when you will see your Microsoft Word is, see, it is replaced by MS Word. This is how you can replace a word in a quick step. That is why we use this find and replace option. We need not to search the word again and again and then type it again and again. In the short way, means without wasting our time and energy, we can do our desired changes. So this was your practical related to how to insert header and footer in our document, and secondly, how to find and replace a word in our document. Now